Hello, beautiful people. It's Johanne here, and it's another episode of backyard gardening. Well, as you can see, it's not your typical backyard setting. I'm actually here where I get horse manure from, and I just thought, just gonna do a video here in the beautiful countryside. I'm showing you where I get my horse manure from. So I just typed in on Facebook Marketplace horse manure, and it got up this. I've actually been here a few times now, um, but I'm sure there's, like, wherever you are, you'll find like farmers with lots of manure that they need to get rid of. One's man's trash is another man's treasure, um, as the saying goes. So yeah, there's a whole mountain of it, and I'm going to do some shopping here. Yeah, I'm in the beautiful countryside of Yorkshire. So you hear birds chirping. There's also, let's see, how can I move this around? Yeah, there's also birds. Well, I saw some, what you call them, chickens running around in the road. But as you can see, it's the beautiful countryside of Yorkshire. Yeah, they just came to drop some horses off. Yeah, this set, I think I'm actually probably going to use it for the front garden, because I realize that there's not much earthworms there. Probably the soil is not of good quality. So I thought, these, the well rotted ones, as you can see, there's different varieties. If you want it fresh, I tend to go for the rotted ones. It's shopping. Tend to go for the well rotted ones here, and there's some earthworms in there, so I can introduce some earthworms in there to increase the texture of the soil. Yeah, so I've got my bags. I'm just gonna load them up. As much as I can. Might get a bit hot and sweaty. I think I might need to take my jacket off. Yeah, but that's the hey man, like one bag of this costs about £8. Well, last year about £8 it cost in the garden store, so it's actually a real bargain here. I'm saving hundreds, if not thousands of pounds by coming here and getting my horse manure. So thank you. Until next time, see you around.